Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to empty your list or array in JavaScript. So let's get started. So it is going to be just a single line of code. So currently I'm having an array with these values and I'm just printing the array. So if I just now run it, we will be getting the array displayed with all its content over here. So here you can see, right? So for emptying the array, it's straightforward, okay? You need to type the array or list name equal to, just put empty square brackets. That's it, I guess. And if I just now copy this exact same code and I will just paste it, and if I do array dot length and save it and rerun it again, so you can see I've got an empty list and I'm also getting the length as 0, which earlier had this value. So now it's basically empty. So this is how you do it, and I hope you would have found this video useful. I've also run many other tutorials in C, C++, Java, Python, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, as well as UML diagrams. So do check other videos of my channel, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.